Today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego truck. First of all, you're going to start off with the chassis. Put 4 mud guards. Before we do that, put a 2x4 right there. And a 1x2 clear. Place it on like that. Put 2 of these. Place them on each side. Like that. Grab 2 1x4s. Place them like that. And 4 mud guards. Place them on like that. Take a 2x2 brick. That's how it should look like right now. Take a 2x2 brick. Place it right there. And flip it over. Take a 2x4. Place it on like that. And take a 2x3. Place it right here. Flip it back over. Then put 2 1x2 plates, any color. Place them on like that. Take 2 of these 1x2 sloped pieces. Place them on like that. Like that. Take a 2x2 angle. Place them on like that. Take a 1x2. Put it right there. Now you take a steering wheel. Place it right there. Take a 2x2. 2x4 I mean. Place it on like that. Take a 1x4. Place it on like that. Take 1x2s plates. Place them on like that, which have the little mirrors on it. I don't know. It should look like that. Then you put 2 1x1 claws or plates. I didn't have no more claws. Where'd my other one go? Can't find my other one. That's weird. Cannot find it. Found it. It should look like that. Place them on like that. Then you put 2 of these 1x3 doors. Car doors, not doors for houses. And place them on like that. Then you take a 3x4 glass and you place it right there. Then you take 2 1x4 bricks, stack them, place them on like that. And then take 1x2 grate, place it on like that. Then you put this little hood, place it on top like that. So now let's flip it back over. Stack 2 1x2 bricks. Oh shoot. That's how it should look like. And you do the same thing. And you put it right there. Then you grab 2 1x2 axles and 4 wheels, and you place them on like that. You do the same thing again. And you put them on like that. Like that. Now you grab a 2 1x4, 2 of these 1x2 clear orange smooth tiles. Place them on like that and put it right there. Now you're going to grab one of these. Whoa. Oh, I can't find it. Can't find it. Now I lost that too. I'm trying to find it. Okay. That'll look like this. They're clear. Place them on like that. Whoa, that was flying. Like that. Then you get a 1x2 grate. Place it right in the middle. Like that. Then you grab one of these bumpers that has a license plate. And you put it on like that. Like that. Then you grab this 2x4 wood and you put it on like that. Then you simply drop it in right here. And the truck is done. Now we're going on to the plow. Now the plow is easy. You're gonna need 2 4x4 plates, 2 of these that go up and down. Oh gosh, whatever. It looks like this. 2, and then 1 of these. 2 of these. 1 of this time, and this. Okay, so you're gonna place 2 of these and like that. Since I didn't have another one, so I had to use 2 of these. and you place 2 of these like that. And you put them on right here. Like that. Looks like it's like an A plow. Then you grab this last piece, put it right here. And the snowplow's done. So then you grab your truck, take this piece off and set that off. You put the snowplow right here. It's hard to do videos. This is how it should look like. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.